my bag. Let's go give it a good old opening. So I'll use this bag for a minute. You know, I haven't given it a wash. It's just now starting to get dirty. You got a zipper here. Put my stuff in here. I got my eye drops. We can fit a lot of stuff just to give you an idea of what fits in there. I got my fucking magical flames, my axe, my this. Charger. Boom. Yeah, there's no inner pocket, just a pocket. That's how thick it is. This doesn't even seem that thick. Yeah, it's pretty light. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright. Got this. Cough drops. I put charger cable. Some bandanas. Some snacks. Sunglasses. So if you look at here, you can put pens in here. Some stuff in there. Put some in there. I put some pens in here before. I like this. You can put your keys on it. I used to put my AirPods in there. You have another one over there. Put keys in there. Side pouch. Right here is where you can put your you can connect what you want to connect right there. Headphones, charger. Got a little buckle there. It's a Magnum one, so it's relatively easy to open. There's pockets in there, but you can fit water in there. I fit water in there plenty of times. This is the lock I was talking about. Put it like this. Put it like this. Put it like this. Boom. Switch up the code. Boom, boom. Doesn't open. I'll give you an idea of the main pouch. Got my cash on here. Ooh. Bunch of coins. Zip right there. It's pretty big. Stick. Book. Another bag just in case. Some notebooks. Black Panther. This is the other one. I put my AirPods here. Put them in there. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like this bag. 30 bucks? Hell yeah. This is where you can connect your devices and shit. You want to connect your battery, you connect it here. Want to connect your speaker, you connect it there. It's a laptop bag. Like I fit all of that in this little bag. This will conclude my review. Have a great day.